Ladies and gentlemen, there's been told there may be part of an Inspector General coming this way at any moment. I demand that all bribery stop until further notice. And we may he appears to be an heir from the capital, or he travels incognito. And post that I went to read every single piece of mail that comes through. So, any information is important. Of course, I've been reading people's mail for years. Learned so much. I told you about the man that was involved weekend in Kiev. Sir, yes? What's the hotel? The proprietor. I went to the hotel. You talked to Pierre Levinsky. You talked, and you, Pierre Levinsky, went to the hotel, and so the man from the capital there. I said, all right, you both said, The main thing is, you haven't found our Inspector General to the hotel. Oh, what a dog's life. Life of a hotel clerk is a servant. I remain loyal to a man who spends all his money on gambling. Joseph, would you go to the kitchen and tell the chef to prepare our lunch. You haven't prepared the last 3 months. And man's threatening to give us the move. How many people are accredited? Oh, come on. No. Quiet! There's something approaching. This could be our infection notice. It's clear we stand before greatness. Look, are you our Inspector General? I am? I mean, yes. You may kiss my hand. Indeed. And so, pressed the clock and Yosef went to the capital. And then, she was so romantic and and what are you doing here? Hide! Have you seen how the girl was impressed with me? The girl was impressed with me, and she was all over me. Quick, hide! I couldn't help noticing about some things for me to discuss about certain affairs of business. Of course, certain affairs of business. You know, I've fallen in love with you. You have? You have? Indeed. I've fallen madly in love with you. We shall be married tomorrow. The next day. And then she said, "C'est la vie! Mr. Christopher! Over here, now!" Yes? These people think you're an Inspector General. You must leave before they catch on. Oh, Pooh, I was having fun. Excuse me, I have to go. Urgent matters of the state carried. Yeah, Libby. I'll return within days. Ladies and gentlemen, I have important news. The man we took as the Inspector General was not the Inspector General. I have a letter written by that man. My dear friend, life is changed drastically. The people here are quite vulgar. The mayor is slow the horse behind. The mayor's wife is vain as an ostrich. Huh? The mayor's wife is slow as a peacock. The judge is slow as an old cow. The landowner is as worthless as mangy mutts. And the postmaster as dull as a donkey. I have other pieces of news. The new Inspector General has arrived.